That's what I'm saying, but like the chances of you getting that money and going find this shit at a Target right now is impossible.
You know what?
Cards,
yeah,
bro.
Jason has been really into Pokemon cards, and he thinks he could really set it. I don't know, I've never really been into Pokemon. I guess we can make a lot of profit on certain cards, but this guy's been into it lately.
But then you guess what you have? You have $160 in your pocket.
Yeah,
That's
and you could buy
Not
it.
some
right
goof-ass
now,
$80
I mean, because
Pokemon
this
cards.
right now is like, I bought it for like $40, but I could probably sell it for like 70,
Bro, if
75.
you sell it for 160, you could buy a better pack if you really think about it.
That's what I'm saying, but what's the fun in that, right? Right, guys?
What?
We're trying. I'm gonna hit. I'm gonna hit like $100 card today, and y'all gonna be like, oh.
Jason, if you hit a $100 card today, you know what it is? Dinner's on you.
Yeah.
Hey, chat. Today we're gonna hit like a $500 card. This is the Target card I'm gonna hit. Chat, we're gonna hit the fucking. We're gonna hit one of these, man.
What in the world?
These are like worth 300 per.
Yeah.
If you hit one.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna sell that shit. I'm collecting
No,
that.
but you're still paying for dinner though.
Dude, I've been fiending to open some cards, bro. What? It's nice. Bro, I'm a nerd when it comes to this, bro. Pokemon was my chop. Dang, it comes with stickers. I'm gonna hit it, I swear.
Wait, how much did you spend? 40 bucks?
This is 40. I've been itching, bro.
You're so ugly, bro.
Yeah. Imagine I hit. Stop. Stop. One more card.
That's it? Oh, you forgot to show it.
Is that good?
Okay, I got something.
Is that good?
That's a hit.
How much is that worth? Like $5?
This is
This is
like
a
6
person though. This
Yeah.
is not even a Pokemon.
Nah, but this is motherfucking Wally.
Wally's Compassion.
$1.41.
Is that $1.41?
It's wraps. It's $1.41.
Alright. The next one is these nuts. Hold on. We're gonna do a little quicker. A little quicker. It's like focusing on my face.
I know.
Stop.
Stay still. Oh, what is
Oh,
that?
that's not bad.
What is it? What is it?
It's just an EX.
Show him.
This is like probably like $1.
Oh my gosh, focus.
That's not bad. Hey, that's a hit. That's a hit. So technically we're doing good. We got 2 hits.
So $2.
I mean,
that a
it's
dollar
not about
too?
the money, man.
It's fully about the money.
I'm gonna hit like a $100 card today, and y'all gonna be like, oh,
Jason,
no, it's really because if you're going in for the money for Pokemon, you
good.
might have, yeah, you're not hitting jack.
So there's a chance you pull a $300 one, right?
Huh?
There's a chance.
I'm just a chance,
that
but a
Narc?
very small one.
How you been? Good.
Some. Stop. We're hitting.
Oh!
Is that good?
Wait, that's not even the last card, fool! Wait, stop. There's another card! Oh, fucker.
I'm wishing for a Mega Mewtwo EX.
Wait, there's one more, fool.
Wait.
Oh.
bad.
What?
I mean, I can't complain, man. We opened 6 packs. We got 4 hits. Pretty good hits.
And we also got it.
You're trying to justify that.
Can I say something?
I don't know.
Okay, if I say something.
Hello. Oh, shit. Where are we at, babe?
The one and only BJ's.
Y'all don't know about this place. Come every Tuesday, $5 Pazookies, man. If it wasn't for this, we probably wouldn't be here, but that's a good deal for some dessert if you ask me, goddammit.
No. Why do you still have
See a trash can anymore?
Put the trash
I'm not trying to put it in my car.
What's good, everyone? Hope everyone is doing well. But yeah, I'm on my way to work right now. Yet again, I don't really have much to film today. So I was like, you know what? I've never really showed you guys what I do for work and like how I get shit done. And luckily this is a family-run business by my parents, so there's no problem with bringing the camera. I don't really have anything going on today. Luckily, I don't have school. I just got work. But other than that, it gives me time to just study, film videos, and even edit it. So hopefully today's a chill day today. If you guys don't already follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys go ahead and do so. I literally just posted a story post asking about if anyone is interested in having their cars in one of the videos. We have some kind of video idea where I want to showcase some of like cool cars that people want to showcase on this channel and whatnot, but preferably I want to stay away from having 8.6s or anything of like the ZN6, ZN8 chassis, mainly just because of the fact that I always post about it and like that's kind of like the main car that you see. And I kind of want to branch out a bit, spice it up a little bit and show what other cars are out there, because obviously the 8.6 isn't the only car out there. I mean, if you do have an 8.6, like still reach out to me, like as long as your car's like pretty cool or it's far from stock, like I'd be willing to put it in and make a video out of it. But yeah, if you do have a cool car or if you're interested in having your car in a video and whatnot, please follow me on Instagram, DM me, comment even down here, but mainly if you just DM me on Instagram, that will make it a lot easier for me. So yeah, that's just a future video idea for you guys to keep your eye out for. I'm gonna get a little pull for you guys. It's a hot day today too. My temperature right here reads that it's 88 ambient outside. It's December. Why is it so hot? At least I get to drive with the windows down. We are here and we have a Rivian that we're gonna be tinting today. I don't think I've ever tinted one of these, but I think they have, but I haven't because I'm not always here all the time, but Rivian, more like really cool. For those who might find this stuff interesting, let me go ahead and show you how to tint a window very, very briefly. We have a little quarter window over here that we're gonna go ahead and tint. And luckily, with how we do our process here at our shop, they're already all pre-cut. So pretty much all we're responsible for doing is installing the tint and putting the tint on the glass itself. These pre-cuts we have, we call them patterns. Literally all we have to do is like peel it off like it's a sticker, make sure the surface is clean. We clean it thoroughly, and then we do wet application. So we pretty much just spray it on, and then we stick it on there, and then we press it, and we're done. This may seem like a very straightforward process, even though it is very straightforward. You need to have some finesse when it comes to tinting. As easy as it is to just slap it on there, anyone can do that. But you need to have finesse. That's why this trade right here isn't for everyone. And although it may look easy, when it comes to bigger glasses rather than these small quarter windows, it's a whole different ball game. So pretty much all you do is wet it after you clean it. You go ahead and peel this John as fast as you can, all in one motion. Go ahead and give it some sprays, and then you're gonna go ahead and put it in there slap it on, make sure everything aligns, there's no light gap or anything. Have it at your desired position. You wet the glass, get your little squeegee, and then you just press it out. Very slowly, because if you press it too hard, sometimes it'll shift, and then you're gonna have to peel it off again and readjust it and re-wet it and do all that process. So you need to have some finesse with the pressure that you apply when you're squeegeeing out the water. This is one thing, but if you don't know how to prep your surface and make sure it's spotless and clean, it's not gonna turn out well. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff that goes into it. That's just a really small, quick and easy, simplified, super simplified way to tint your windows. And we're done. All right, gang, we just finished up at work. Let's go ahead and get some gas because I got like no gas at all. All right, party people, just made it to the gas station. Let's go ahead and see how much it costs to fill this car up if you guys don't own one and maybe you guys want one and you want to see how much it costs to get gas in it. All right, let's go ahead and do it. All right, guys, so I typically fill up my car every time it hits like a quarter tank left. And that usually takes about like a week until that gets done. Hold on, don't peep this. Yeah, usually I fill up my car like once a week. If I really empty out the tank, I can get at least 240 to 260, depending how much I drive on the freeway and whatnot. If you guys aren't aware either, these cars only take 91 gas. They don't take 87 or 89, they only take premium. But yeah, at this specific location, it costs $4.57 for 91. And let's go ahead and see how much it costs to fill this up at right below a fourth of a tank. So if you guys are curious on how much I pay for gas, typically at like how often I fill up, every like once every week or so, every 200 something miles. Literally, this is how much I pay, $44.9. But this is only when gas is like relatively low. I know in different states, you guys might be watching this and be like, damn, $4.5 is fucking expensive, and you're not wrong. This shit is super expensive. Like when I was a kid, man, I remember passing by gas stations and I would see like $2 for 91. But like, unfortunately, times like those don't exist anymore. Yeah, that's pretty much how much it costs to fill up my car at a quarter tank of gas left. Usually, if I'm just driving street, that's maybe like equivalent to like 220 miles. Oh, well, exactly, I got 218 that last fill up. This car isn't that efficient if you can't tell already, but sure as hell do I have fun driving this thing every day. So I guess you could say I'm willing to take that as a little trade-off.